How to upload an album on Ditto Music. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can upload your own music, your own album here in dittomusic.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Basically, Ditto is going to help you to reach more people with your music and also to help you to upload your music into the different platforms as Spotify or iTunes Music or Current Music or Deezer. I mean, all those platforms. So basically, here I'm in my dashboard, and the first option you got is the standard release or electronic dance music release. It depends of your music. By now I'm gonna make the process with the standard release. So I'm gonna create a new, and you must to just type the title of your release. So this is gonna be test by now. I'm gonna create it. And there is important stuff you must know. First of all, that for Spotify, Apple Music, and some more platforms, the cover must be in high quality. It must be blur, okay? It must be, I mean, like with low pixels and low resolution. No, it must be high quality. You don't must to write or type any texts or add some logos in your cover. Just the name of your release and the name of the artist, okay? Also, you must use the tag of explicit content when it's appropriated, and the audios cannot have any cuts or abrupt finals, okay? And if you want to add some silence in your music, I mean in the middle of the music, this cannot be more than 5 seconds, because this is gonna have some issues here with ditto.com, okay? So you must fill all the release information, the title of album or EP or single, the copyright holder, copyright year, production holder, production year, and record label. If you want to add a new label, you just can click here and that's all, okay? Also, you must type the name of the artist. So you must pick a plan artist to release, and you just have to select the plan from the artist. So by now I'm in the free trial, I get access to one artist. So I'm going to create a new plan artist. My new artist is going to be just test. And because I've added, and this is the first artist released, so I'm going to click on yes. There's the name. And if you want to add some more artists, obviously you must upgrade your Ditto plan, so you can also select until 5 in the basic plan. After the release information, you're gonna find the released artwork. There is where you must to upload your cover. It must be in this format and in high quality, as I told you, not blurry or pixelated, and no more than 10 megabytes in size. So you just have to drag the files here or select from your computer. Also to select your genre. So let's suppose this is, let me check, folk music, a secondary genre if perhaps you have it. So it's going to be jazz here, and the language of your song. After you have filled all this data, you're going to be able to click on next. Now that we have completed our release details, we're gonna complete the track list. So you must to select your music here. The file format must be .wav or .mp3, and the file size must to be shorter than 200 megabytes, okay? So I just uploaded a test here, and you must to check these boxes. You understand that your release may be rejected from store if you don't correctly label tracks as explicit that contains words or obscenities. Also, that you are authorized to distribute this music to stores and territories you select, and you are not using any other artist name in your name, okay? Song titles or album title, so you are free of any guilt. And the second is covers and copyright material, so you can continue without uploading copyright documentation or upload documentation proving your own the copyright of the audio. So I'm going to click on next, and now you must to select the plan of the release. So has this album or single been released before? Let's suppose no, because if I change to yes, I just must to select the date. But in no, this is the second question. When do you want this release to be available? So you can just select a specific date or a specific date with pre-release for $20 or as soon as possible. So let's suppose a specific date. It could be 10 days from now on. So let's suppose I want it on the 30th of November. You must complete the geographic availability. So if you would like to add country restrictions and limit the availability of your release, by now I'm going to select no and register for the charts. So if you would like to register your music for national or worldwide charts, by now I'm going to continue this way. The last step is the distribution. Okay, so you must track the pricing. So how much would you like to charge for each track? Remember, here in the track list I just added a track, but you can add multiple tracks if you want to upload your whole album. So by now, how much for each track? Let's suppose low, because I don't have so much money. Digital stores. So which stores would you like to distribute your release? So as you can see, there are a lot of platforms, okay, of stores. So you can just select all stores or streaming only stores or just custom, and you begin to select what you want. So perhaps I would like for Instagram, for Twitch, and so more. Okay, some of them are blocked, as you can see, like Canva. I cannot do that. This is just available for streaming only stores. Okay, that's how you can activate that. Or also in download, or obviously if you select all stores. And the third step is the future and upcoming stores. So if you want to release to new stores when they automatically get some contracts with Ditto, so you can select yes or no. Remember, if they get contracts with new platforms, obviously this is going to be more money from you. Okay, so by now I'm going to say no and select the subscription. So here basically you have three different plans. There is a text that you must be careful with it, because if you choose the artist plan like the free trial, you will not be charged all until the end of your duration days free trial. But obviously, because you want to promote your music for months or even years, I recommend you to select a subscription. The cheapest plan is this artist for $12 a year, and this is just unlimited distribution for one artist. So if you're just an individual, if you are just trying to upload your own music, this is the best option, and you can continue with the free trial, and this is what you're gonna pay once your free trial has ended. That's why the button says continue free trial and not these other options. Okay, and once you get this, you check this. Okay, make this artist plan. You're just gonna be able to upload music from this artist, in this case test, and you must validate. Okay, you must also link your account with a card or with PayPal, and once you have done that, you're gonna be able to upload your own music here in dittomusic.com. Thanks for watching.